The reason you didn't see any footage of that sail is because we were throwing up the whole time. Hurricane Ernesto kept its course and turned up into the Atlantic, so it's time for us to continue our search for the most remote islands in the Bahamas. This week we're sailing to Conception Island, where we have the whole island to ourselves. Could this be the most beautiful beach in the Bahamas? You tell me.
Morning.
Morning. We're gonna take Isla to the beach. Oh, she's up the
She heard the B word.
She knows we're going to the beach. And then we're gonna sail over to Conception Island, which is a
like 20 something, right around 20.
20-mile sail. I'm tired, so
She's hungover.
I'll talk more later. I'm a little hungover. I had too much wine watching a meteor shower last night.
All right, let's go.
All right. I had the drone up in the air and it started downpouring, so it took a couple tries, but we took Isla for a little run. So today we're going to sail from Calabash Bay to Conception Island, which is around 20 miles east-northeast of us. We're going to go up to Conception, then down to Rum Cay, just to kind of wait out the storm that's in the Atlantic. It's supposed to turn up towards Bermuda, so we should be in the clear, but you never really know. So we want to be close enough to Georgetown still to kind of wait it out. Right now this is what we're working with. So the cone is going away from us, but we want to wait until it gets towards Puerto Rico to make sure that it doesn't just switch and come towards us. All of the different weather outlets are really confident of it turning north, so we're good. And then after that kind of passes, we're going to try to get to the Dominican Republic because we feel like we're kind of sailing on borrowed time. And we just feel like the next one's gonna come right towards the Bahamas. We've had 3 storms now that are missing us, and we feel like our luck is gonna run out soon. So we need to get somewhere safe for the rest of hurricane season. We're gonna have a 2-day sail to the Dominican Republic, and that will be our longest sail yet. We've only sailed through the night on our boat once. Andrew's done it a ton on other boats for work, but I've only sailed through the night once, so that'll be a big trip for us. Hopefully it's not a rough passage, but it will be our longest sail yet. I'm gonna make us some lunch. I'm gonna make us some sandwiches. Down here. We made it to Conception Island. And the reason you didn't see any footage of that sail is because we were throwing up the whole time. We think it was a mix of having too many cocktails while we watched a meteor shower last night and how big do you think the seas were? 6 to 8 foot seas. So we had to take turns driving so the other could get sick overboard. Our autopilot wasn't working, so we're gonna go drop the dinghy in the water and take Isla to the beach and explore. Isla, are you excited to go to the beach?
I'm rolling. So our plan was to come to Conception for one night and then go over to Rum Key for a night and then down to Clarencetown. Yesterday was not the greatest sail and it looks like from here to Rum would be pretty bad too. So we decided we'd rather just stay here for the day and explore the island and get to see a little bit more of the area instead of just sail over to Rum just to up and leave again in the morning.
There goes my anchor alarm. No, I think my anchor alarm's set a little bit too wide because if it's just going off now.
Sometimes you can put a delay on it.
Oh yeah. Oh, is the water so pretty? Go kiss it. Go ahead. Go swim if you want. Wow, the water here is insane. It's like a swimming pool. Oh my god, the water helped me so much with that. Felt like you were pushing it. Oh, there she goes. Hello, where are you going? Isla, you want to go swim? You want to swim? It is so pretty here. Look at that water. The water is like the perfect temperature too. I'm out of breath. Isla's fast.
What?
My bottom fell off.
Oh, did that? Love you.
Love you. I like this place. I wish we could stay here for like a week.
I know, me too.
What was my score?
11 out of 10.
11?
You did better the first time when your bottom came off.
You're such a good swimmer. Come on, you got it. Alright, we're gonna go swim around for a bit before we do a little dinghy adventure to...
Creek or the lagoon.
Alright, we're gonna go in the creek or lagoon after we're done at the beach. Time to go on a little dinghy adventure. We're gonna go in like the center of this island where it's really shallow. It's high tide right now, so we're gonna try to go into this little creek lagoon thing. Maybe go to a sandbar if we can find one. When we get to the Dominican Republic, we're getting a new dinghy line.
Yes, ma'am.
I hate this one so much.
You made that so clear.
I know, but it's still here. And then I'm playing tunes.
Yeah, tunes.
Woo! Wait, wait. I conveniently have shorts that are terry cloth. They're like a towel material, so I can dry off phones. Oh, I love already crying. That's a huge windlass.
Two vessels.
Mm-hmm. Everything we own in one shot. We're super happy that we ended up staying here an extra day instead of going to Rum Cay. Although as much as we'd love to go to Rum and catch some lobster, we would have just been kind of rushing through both places. So instead, we decided to spend more time at one. Isla's finding some caves. You find a cool cave?
Hello.
Alright.
Oops, sorry.
Oh, it's rolling. It's a nice last night on Conception Island. And a beautiful sunset. Where are you going?
Generators on, fridge freezer's on, air conditioner's on.
We're sleeping in air
Batteries are
conditioning
charging.
tonight. Such a nice day. Really cool island. Definitely recommend visiting if you can. You can only get to it by boat. So if you have a boat, check it out. Yeah, so we're gonna just have a chill night, eat some chicken tacos, and go to sleep and wake up early to sail to Clarence Town. We're gonna skip Rum because
Skip Rum Cay, not skip Rum
we're gonna
tonight.
Andrew's definitely drinking rum tonight. But we're gonna skip Rum Cay and go to Clarence Town because Ernesto has shifted a tiny bit west. Not much, but the waves are supposed to be pretty nasty. They're gonna be gnarly. Gnarly. So we want to get south.
Get south, yeah. That's all it is. Get a little south and
Yeah.
be a little better.
So our sail tomorrow is around 40 miles. And then we'll hang out in Clarence Town and check out the Blue Hole. Dean's Blue Hole. See how deep we can dive. I don't think it's gonna be very impressive. Maybe you will. Yeah. Well, we'll see you when we're sailing tomorrow. Bye. Join us next week when we officially make it to the tropics, passing the Tropic of Cancer for the last time in a while during our sail to Clarence Town, Long Island. If you enjoyed this video, hit like, comment below, and subscribe, and don't forget to turn that notification bell on. See you next week.